Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered why we say she runs but they run? Or why the dog barks but the dogs bark? If you are confused, don't worry. This is all about subject-verb agreement, and by the end of this video, your confusion will go away. What is subject-verb agreement? We all know that a sentence is a group of words. The words belong to different parts of speech and they have their own role in a sentence. They work together to give a meaningful idea. As we are talking about subject-verb agreement, let's see how the subject and verb work together in a sentence. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. Verb says what the subject does. For example, the boy cries. Here, the boy is subject and cries is verb. In English, the verb must match the subject. In other words, verb must agree with subject. This is called subject-verb agreement. The basic rule of subject-verb agreement is that singular subject takes singular form of a verb and plural subjects take plural verbs. We have already discussed in previous video that a verb has 5 different forms. Among them, verb 5 is the singular form of verb. It is third person singular form of a verb and is used in simple present tense like runs, eats, walks. The example is the girl reads a book. The plural form of a verb is the base form like run, eat, walk. An example is the girls read books. Please note that in past tense verbs don't change for singular or plural subjects like he walked, they walked. Same form of verb is there. Some irregular verbs have different singular or plural forms. For example, he is, they are. She has, they have. There are some irregular and special cases. With compound subjects, plural verb is used. Compound subjects means two or more subjects that are connected with and. For example, my mom and dad work hard every day. In this sentence, my mom and dad is a compound subject and the plural form of verb work has been used to it. If the subject has or nor, the verb agrees with the closest noun. For example, either the TV or the lights are broken. Here, the verb has agreed to the noun the lights. Another one, neither the shoes nor the bag was cheap. The verb has been agreed to the bag. Another is with pronouns. English has 3 types of grammatical persons. First person, I, we. Second person, you. And third person, he, she, it and they. I'm going to show you a chart with some examples that makes us easy to understand about different forms of verbs with different pronouns. First person pronoun, singular I play, plural we play. Second person pronoun, singular you play, and plural also you play. Third person pronouns, singular he, she, it plays, and plural they play. From this chart, we understand that only the third person singular pronouns that are he, she and it use singular form of verb and all other pronouns carry plural form of verb. I hope this video is useful for you. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.